Have you ever looked at an Apple Watch on someone's wrist and wondered, how can something this small do so much? Track your heart, measure your steps, show messages, even call for help in emergencies. But here's the crazy part. Inside that tiny device are hundreds of precision-engineered components built with extreme accuracy at a microscopic level. We're talking about robots placing parts thinner than a human hair, laser-cutting metal, ultra-clean rooms with almost zero dust, and assembly lines so precise that even a tiny mistake can ruin the entire device. So how does a piece of raw metal and glass turn into one of the most advanced smartwatches in the world? Today, we're going behind the scenes to discover the real truth of how an Apple Watch is made. And trust me, some parts of this process are way more intense than you expect. Let's begin.
The Apple Watch is more than just a watch. It's a tiny computer, a health tracker, a communication device, all packed into something you wear on your wrist. But here's something many people don't realize. Devices like this are not built in one place from start to finish. Instead, different parts are made in specialized factories around the world. The screen, the chip, the sensors, the battery. Each component is manufactured separately, and then everything is brought together in final assembly. So the factory isn't just making a watch, it's combining some of the most advanced technologies into one perfectly working system. So how does this entire process actually work? Let's break it down, step by step. Making the core components. Everything starts with raw materials. Metals like aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. Glass materials for the display. Silicon for the chips. These raw materials are turned into individual components. Let's start with the body. Large blocks of metal are cut and shaped using high-precision machines. These machines carve out the watch case with extreme accuracy. Even tiny openings for buttons and sensors are perfectly measured. Now, imagine this. If the size is off by even a fraction of a millimeter, the parts won't fit. That's how precise it needs to be. Next comes the display. The Apple Watch screen is made using advanced glass and technology. Thin layers are built up carefully to create a bright, sharp display. At the same time, microchips are being manufactured. These chips act as the brain of the watch. Inside clean rooms, robots build these chips on silicon wafers using microscopic circuits. And when we say microscopic, we mean circuits thousands of times thinner than a human hair. Then there are sensors, heart rate sensors, motion sensors, temperature sensors, each one designed to collect data from your body. By the end of this stage, we don't have a watch yet. We have dozens of highly advanced individual parts. And now, they're ready to come together.
What happens next? Assembling the watch. Now begins one of the most fascinating parts, assembly. All the separate components arrive at the assembly facility. And this is where precision becomes everything. First, the internal components are placed into the watch case. Tiny circuit boards are carefully positioned. Robotic arms place them with extreme accuracy. Then the battery is added. Even the battery must fit perfectly inside a very limited space. After that, connectors and wiring are attached. These connections allow all parts to communicate with each other. Now, here's something interesting. Much of this work is done by machines, but some parts still require human hands. Why? Because certain delicate steps need flexibility and judgment that machines still struggle with. Next comes the display installation. The screen is carefully aligned and attached to the body. This must be done perfectly. Even a tiny misalignment would affect touch sensitivity. At this stage, the device starts looking like a real watch, but it's still not complete because it hasn't been sealed or tested yet. That happens next. How the system works: sealing, software, and testing. Now comes the stage where everything is finalized. First, the watch is sealed.
Special adhesives and sealing techniques are used. Why? Because the Apple Watch is water resistant, so the device must be protected from dust and water. Next comes software installation. The operating system is loaded into the device. This is what makes the watch smart. Without software, it's just hardware. Then comes testing, and this part is extremely strict. Every single watch is tested. Touchscreen responsiveness, sensor accuracy, battery performance, connectivity, even vibration and sound. Machines simulate real-world usage. They check if the watch responds correctly to inputs. Now imagine this. A robot taps the screen hundreds of times to test sensitivity. Other machines measure how accurately the heart rate sensor works. If anything fails, the device is removed. Only perfect units move forward. At this point, the watch is fully functional. But one final step remains. Finishing and packaging. Now the watch gets its final touches. The outer surface is cleaned and polished. This gives it that premium look and feel. Then comes band attachment. Different watch bands are added depending on the model. Silicone bands, leather straps, metal loops. After that, the watch is packaged. But even packaging is done carefully. Why? Because the unboxing experience matters. The watch is placed inside a protective case. Accessories like charging cables are added. Everything is arranged neatly. Finally, the boxes are sealed and shipped to stores around the world. And just like that, a highly complex device is ready for your wrist. Pretty amazing, right? But honestly, there's even more happening behind the scenes.
Simple comparison. Think of making an Apple Watch like building a tiny city. Each component is like a building. The chip is the control center. The battery is the power plant. The sensors are like monitoring stations, and everything must connect perfectly. If one part fails, the entire system won't work properly. That's exactly how complex this tiny device really is. Interesting facts. Fact 1. Some components inside smartwatches are smaller than a grain of sand, yet they perform extremely complex tasks. Fact 2. The Apple Watch can monitor heart rate in real time using light sensors under the device. Fact 3. Modern smartwatches are powerful enough to perform tasks that once required full-sized computers. Pretty incredible for something that fits on your wrist, right? Conclusion. So now you know the real truth about how an Apple Watch is made. It starts with raw materials, moves through precision machining, advanced component manufacturing, careful assembly, strict testing, and finally, becomes the smart device you wear every day. And honestly, once you understand the process, you never look at it the same way again. Next time you check your Apple Watch, just remember, inside that small device
Throughput is up.
a
Check the yield.
massive
It's at
world of
99.2% within
engineering and
parameters.
Good.
technology.
Monitor for spikes.
So what surprised you the most? The microscopic components, the robotic assembly, or the extreme precision required? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more amazing process explanation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.